Hi guys, it's Determined Gardener here. I am at Hicks Nursery giving you a bird's eye view of their spring flower show. Look at these beautiful lilies. Now, I have to admit I don't know the names of these flowers, so I'm just going to go around and show you what they have. Isn't that gorgeous? And we're here at Long Island, New York, checking out the beautiful spring arrangements here at this gorgeous, spectacular flower show. And of course, all these flowers are real. They were grown right here at the nursery. Check out the orchids and the prayer plants. And a beautiful waterfall. More orchids. Calla lilies. Banana tree plant, I think that is. I'm not sure. That's striped foliage. And it's just so much to see here. Spring is definitely in the air, folks. Sorry, I don't know the names of all these plants. I'm not a plant expert, but I do love gardening, and I just can tell you this is absolutely spectacular. Look at that color. I think these are, no, I don't know what they are. I forgot the name actually. I do. I have these in my garden. I just forgot the name of them. If someone can leave me a comment on what that is, I would really appreciate it. Give you more of a bird's eye view. Oh, dahlias. Okay, that's what they are. Dahlias, guys. Check out the beautiful dahlias. More orchids. And we're getting to the sun patient plants. Right here, this is a beautiful pinkish, almost fuchsia looking color. Give you a wider look. And here is a palm tree or some type of palm tree. I don't know what it is. And we're gonna make our way over here. Some more sun patients. I actually have this variety in my garden. Now, sun patients take full sun and a lot of watering. We're gonna make our way to the daisies. Oh, that is such, it's like a light pinkish daisy. And this is some type of cactus. I don't know what it is. A beautiful arrangement right here. And then we're going to make our way further down. Some more foliage plants. And we're going to spin around and take a look at the lilacs. I don't know what variety it is, but it is a lilac. And more dahlias. This is the pom-pom ones. Oh, these are adorable. And more sun patients. I'm gonna make our way further down. Guys, check out this vibrant, beautiful plant. Begonias right here. Orange begonias. Aren't they beautiful? And some more daisies. And we got the smaller variety right here, purple. Oh, wow. the sun went down, so you can really see how vibrant those colors are. And I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, guys. Tell me what this is in the comment section. I've never seen this type of plant. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's not doing any type of justice on camera. It is so, so gorgeous. Take a look at it. Wow. Spectacular. I'm gonna go around, give you some more, look at some more flowers. I think these are not, they look like hydrangeas, but they're not. I think these are Shanta daisies. I'm not sure. Don't kill the messenger. I'm not a plant expert. I think they are. I'm not sure what they are. If you know what they are, please leave a comment and tell me what they are, because they look like Shanta daisies to me. Guys, I'm gonna swing around. There's a beautiful wishing pond. You can see some coins in there and the lilies floating on the pond. I'm gonna swing around here and make our way over here. Some more sun patience. These are the red variety. You can see in the background more daisies and another dahlia right there, the pom-pom variety. And here is a lemon tree right there, a lime tree, excuse me. And this section is for the Chinese New Year. Why do I know that? Because take a look at that big dragon right there. This is to celebrate the Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon. So that is the reason why they have all these flowers that are in red, different types of red hues and colors. You see these type of plants a lot in the big box stores. I don't grow them, but you can see that this is an orange one and this is a red one. Azaleas, pink azaleas with the red. More azaleas. Give you a look at the dragon. And we're gonna swing over here. Sorry guys, making you dizzy, but I gotta show you as much as possible. Don't know the name of that plant, but it's absolutely beautiful. And some more dahlias. This I see a lot in the store. Don't know what the name of that is, but I think I'm gonna get that plant. I see that a lot. It's just a normal house plant. And we're gonna make our way towards, you guessed it, right there, the tulips. tulips are not in season yet. They're just starting to come out, to pop through the ground. But here they have the hyacinthus, because it's almost Easter, the white hyacinthus, and the beautiful different colored tulips. And we have the hydrangeas right there with the dark colored leaf and the white pom-poms, and more beautiful tulips. I'm going to get a closer look to show you what they look like. And we have right here, sorry guys for the quick shift, but I want to show you as much as possible. We have daisies right here, beautiful daisies. My mom loves daisies. Hi, Mom. And we got the daisies with the purple center right there.
Daisy things. Are you supposed to come back every year?
And this one is more of a like Day of the Dead kind of theme. You can see it right there. That painting, it's a skeleton, and there's a Mexican skull painted. So this is a Mexican theme that they have going on right here. Here is a blue agave. I didn't know that. That's what it's called. Thank goodness they have some type of, and now I see the names, dahlias and marigolds. Yeah, here they go. And here's a bunch of marigolds. Marigolds are supposed to keep pests away. I'm going to try that in my garden and see if it does that. Geraniums, fuchsia geraniums. Here we are at the sun patience again. And these are pink begonias, you see right here. Pink begonias. We get a real close up. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. And some more prayer plants. And the dahlias. These are the short variety dahlias. Dahlias can grow as tall as 2.5 feet, sometimes even 3. And this is a honey locust tree. Sorry, I can't point, but I'm gonna go all the way high and you can see it right there. Honey locust tree. And Bismarck palm tree right here. So I'm gonna just move the camera around, show you some more stuff. You can see, I think that's the sign of spring's coming with Mr. Rabbit. Cherry blossom. As it's not in full bloom, but you can see that it's already started. Some beautiful hostas there. I have that one in my garden. euonymus. Very, very popular plants in a lot of people's garden. They can be invasive though, so just be careful the ones you get in the big box stores. Arborvitae, not saying it right, but you know what I mean. Got those, really tall, beautiful evergreens. I'm just going to give you another look at the lilies. Beautiful lilies. Look at that. Spectacular lilies. And then you got right there over there, orchids. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I had a great time showing you what they have here at this local nursery in Long Island, New York. This is definitely the time to start planting your spring flowers. So again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Until next time, bye-bye everyone. I'll leave it with this beautiful orchid right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye-bye. Happy gardening.